our plate is very flexible, and for example, inside the plate you can build an overlay with any plots, with multiple plots within a plate. Right mouse button, as an overlay, selection, and immediately you can see that you got the overlay. The overlay is a normal overlay. You can flip parameters, you can change the way that you see the data, and so it can be very useful because you identify whatever you want to overlay, and then you got the overlay, and you get immediately the table with the percentage result for whatever you are interested. Now we delete this overlay, and what we do now, we build an overlay for two plates, between two plates, and we go well by well in doing this. So it's very good relationship between plates and the overlay, so you can visualize all your data all together, so you will be able to get the two plates one on top of each other. So in this way you see how they are looking. And if we go to DocLogic, now that we finish the job, we can have the table built on insert, so we will get not just the overlay, we get the overlay with some statistics if we are interested in doing so. And this is, so we load, you can see immediately there is the table. Let's say we display 3 times 3, we apply, and you can see that immediately you get 3 times 3 display, and you can export in PowerPoint and get very beautiful presentation of all your overlay. Or you can export in PPTX, or you can do whatever you want. Obviously, when we are here in DocLogic, you can have your plate, and we can see we have our plate here. We can have the table immediately with all the colors and in the way that you set up the table. We can have the graph outlier with all your outliers. We can get the description of the heat map, because obviously these colors are matching some characteristics. So you can have everything printed out as a report.